With regard to exercise on the trampoline, I think this is a very good type of exercise and I strongly recommend it to everyone. When you bounce the whole body up and down on the trampoline in the field of accelerated gravity, you not only act on the core muscles of the body, but on every cell, every organ system, and you increase the blood flow in the circulation, and more importantly, you increase the lymph flow in the lymphatic system. And scientific study has shown when you increase the lymphatic flow, you actually eliminate toxins from your body. Not only that, you also regenerated new lymph cells, which will enhance your immunity to fight bacteria, viruses, and foreign agents as well as cancer cells. When you exercise regularly on the trampoline, you enhance your lung oxygen absorption capacity. That means you increase the oxygenation of your cells, and that leads to more energized cells that can perform better. And this has an overall physiological effects on the body. And study again have shown that regular exercise on the trampoline produce a host of positive physiological responses. The reduction of excess fat in the body, the lowering of blood pressure in hypertension, lowering of high sugars in diabetes, you improve your digestion and elimination, reduce your bad cholesterol, reduce your triglycerides, you increase total energy in the body so you can perform your exercise better, your sports better. You have better mental coordination, you have better physical coordination, you relax better and you sleep better. So there's a total overall improvement in your health when you exercise on the trampoline. And also trampoline is a fun and very safe exercise. It protects you from injury to your joints and your ankles as opposed to when you are exercising on the hard ground. So I strongly recommend this type of exercise to everyone, young and old, especially those with chronic diseases. And over time, this exercise will lead to rejuvenation.